Wow, Bitcoin's up to $20,000, passing its all-time high. Hold on. What'd you say? Bitcoin's up to $22,000? No, it's not. Bitcoin's at $25,000. $27,000? Wow, that's crazy. All right, I'm gonna holler at you. Oh, wait. Bitcoin's up to $30,000. $33,000? Wow. Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm Zeke, and welcome to the Dream Green Show. I know that was a little corny intro, but Bitcoin has been on a skyrocket the last couple of weeks, and it's been doing insane numbers. And if you're a follower of this channel, you already know why Bitcoin is going up. I've been said that this was going to happen months ago, and I'm going to explain to all of you new subscribers that haven't subscribed yet why Bitcoin is going up. So if you don't want to miss out on making a lot of money, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos where I talk about stocks, dividends, new IPOs, and especially cryptocurrency, because right now we're on a wave to make a ton of money in the cryptocurrency industry, especially with Bitcoin. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on these amazing videos. All right, so make sure that you hit that notification bell as well. Also, this is the Dream Green Show. Any comment that I comment is gonna have a gray bubble behind it. I do not do WhatsApp at all. If you see anything with WhatsApp, that is a scammer down there. If you see anyone saying, hey, contact this guru, that is a scammer down there. The only comment that is from me is with my username with a gray bubble behind it, the Dream Green Show. Everything else in the comment section is a scam because everybody be trying to get cryptocurrency out of newbies. All right, so I'm going to teach you newbies some new things in this video. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to buy Bitcoin. Now that Bitcoin is around $32,000, $33,000 at the recording of this video, I'm going to show you by far the easiest way to buy cryptocurrency straight from an app on your phone or from a desktop browser. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. But first, I'm going to explain all you new subscribers why Bitcoin is going up and why I think Bitcoin is going to go up to $300,000 and all the other plays and the reasons behind why it's going to go up to $300,000 in the near future. So if you want to have at least $300,000 worth of Bitcoin in your bank account in the next couple of years, make sure that you guys are picking up at least a little bit of crypto. Well, that's what I do. I pick up a little bit of cryptocurrency every now and then just so I can continue to grow my portfolio. I'm going to show you guys my portfolio as well. So I'm dropping a lot of nuggets in this video. So make sure you guys hit the thumbs up button for me walking you through every single step of this process. But before we dive into it, by far the easiest way to buy cryptocurrency that I'm going to talk about in this video is Coinbase. I left a link down in the description. You click that link, sign up for Coinbase, deposit $100, and you will get a free $10 worth of Bitcoin inside your account just from signing up for Coinbase using the link down in the description. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. When you sell cryptocurrency on there, you could transfer your cryptocurrency. That is the big thing. You could transfer your cryptocurrency off of Coinbase to your private wallets, to your private keys, and you have control over those keys and you can do anything with them. You could buy, sell, and when you sell on Coinbase, you could deposit that money directly back into your bank account. There's no foreign exchange needed, just straight on the app. I'm gonna show you guys the app, but if you wanna get those free $10 worth of Bitcoin, if you did this, let's say 2-3 months ago when I tell you to do that, that free $10 will be worth around like $40 right now. So just go ahead and get any kind of free money that is available out there. Once again, that link is down in the description. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. So one of the reasons that I told you a while ago why Bitcoin was going to go up is because of a thing called the halvening. The halvening is when miners mine enough blocks of the Bitcoin algorithm that pays them out. Once they get to a certain block, the payout get cut in half. So let's say all of the miners that mines a successful block of Bitcoin, they get paid out 50 Bitcoin for mining out that block, right? Now, for mining out that same block, now they're only going to get paid out 25 Bitcoin for mining out that block from all the miners. So that is the halvening. All the payouts get cut in half. Miners mine out enough blocks to where this happens around every 4 years. So every 4 years, there is a Bitcoin halving to where the Bitcoin payout get cut completely in half. What is the significance of this? It's pretty much deflation is raising the value of the coin by cutting the supply that is that's out there. Unlike the US dollar, where they're just printing off money, causing inflation, which is lowering the US dollar value. Right now, our dollar value is pretty much half of what it used to be just a couple of years ago. But when you cut the supply in half, like Bitcoin is doing, it's gonna raise the value of Bitcoin. So when the halving happened, I told you guys a couple of months ago that after the halving, nothing is gonna happen. But Bitcoin has historically shown through statistics to go on a bull run 365 days to 500-ish days after the halving. That's when Bitcoin usually go on a bull run. It's about a year and a half after the halving, Bitcoin goes on a bull run. And it's starting to creep up right about now. So the first halving happened all the way back in 2012. It went from $12, and then 365 days later, it hit an all-time high up to $1,150. From $12 to around $1,150. Now, after the bull run happens, the price pulled back, but it doesn't pull all the way back to the $12 price point. So it went from $1,150 all the way down back to $650. And the second halving, it happened in 2016. It went from $650 all the way up to $20,000. That is insane. It went from $650 to $20,000. Now you see where that free $10 worth of Bitcoin come in? Yeah, just imagine your money 20xing in a year. Yeah, get that free money. Link down in the description. But yeah, it went from $650 to $20,000 around a year and a half after the halving. That's when it had happened and the bull run went up. And then, after, of course, there's a pattern to it. After the bull run, it's going to pull all the way back. Bitcoin pulled all the way back to around $9,000, $10,000. It had just recently hit an all-time low due to the pandemic. Everything hit an all-time low due to the pandemic. It went down to around like $3,500, but it stayed stable around $8,000, $9,000, $10,000. So when the third halving happened, Bitcoin was around $10,000, around $9,000, $10,000, and that happened in 2020. So if you're catching a wave, like I said, around a year to a year and a half later after the halving, Bitcoin is going to go on a bull run. Is this the bull run that's happening right now? We're getting prepared for it. And I see Bitcoin going up to $300,000, all the way from the current price of $10,000 when the halving had happened, all the way up to $300,000. Right now, we're around $32,000, $31,000 per Bitcoin, and Bitcoin can 10x from this point within the next year or so. It could go up to $100,000, have a big pullback, and that was the bull run. But hey, from $30,000 to $100,000, that is still 3xing your money in just a matter of a year, which is amazing. So let's go ahead and pull up the charts, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how I buy Bitcoin. All right, here we go of an example that I was showing you guys. This was the first halving. It happened right there in 2012. Bitcoin went all the way up from $12 up to $500-ish, and then the second halving happened, went from around $550 all the way up to $20,000. And then this is the third halving happened right there in 2020. So yeah, so Bitcoin is preparing for another bull run. It could pull back, but just going off of statistics, Bitcoin is prepping for a bull run, and the price is gonna be very volatile from here until the bull run happens. It could go all the way up from 30 back to 20, back to 30, back to 20, but it's prepping and getting ready for the bull run. But let me go ahead and pull up Coinbase. All right, guys, here we are on Coinbase. This is the app that I was telling you about with the link down in the description. I have around $12,881 worth of cryptocurrency in here. Let's go to my portfolio. Bitcoin, I have $10,000 worth of Bitcoin in here. 0.3115, let's click on that. 0.31155,287 worth of Bitcoin in here, which is $10,047.58 right now. Looking at the year, Bitcoin is up 364% on the year. Let's look at a couple other cryptocurrencies I have in here. I have Litecoin. I have 17 Litecoin in here, which is worth $2,373. I have Ethereum. I have half of Ethereum in here, $420. I have some Ripple. I don't suggest you buying Ripple right now. And I have some Bitcoin SV. Buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin, but buy Bitcoin. All right. So that's why I'm personally doing it. So at least once a week, I have it on recurring investment on Bitcoin. I buy anywhere from $50 to $100 worth of Bitcoin every single week. Now I'm buying around $50 to $100 worth of Bitcoin every single week, added to my cryptocurrency account over here on Coinbase. But before you guys buy Bitcoin and you sign up for Coinbase, make sure that you enable two-factor authentication. It's extra security. Always have extra security whenever you have your money stored in any kind of electronic device, even online, when you're banking online. Always have a two-step authentication. It's just an extra step of security. All right, so what I do to buy Bitcoin, I'm gonna click right here on Bitcoin. I'm gonna hit trade. I'm gonna hit buy with cash. I already have my bank account on here linked. It's very simple to sign up. You just provide your identification and your bank account information, and bam, it's just as simple as that. Now I'm gonna buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. Hit preview buy. And there it goes, $100 worth of Bitcoin is gonna be 0.00300793 worth of Bitcoin. Wow, I remember when I first started investing into Bitcoin, $100 used to be 0.1 Bitcoin. Yeah, that's how long ago I was investing into Bitcoin. Hey, I'm going to continue to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin every single week, set up on a recurring buy. I'm going to hit buy now. So let's go ahead and hit buy now. And there it goes, dreamers. My order was submitted and successful. And after you buy your first one, you could click right here to set up a recurring investment. And there it goes. My Bitcoin balance is now at $13,009.52. Bitcoin probably went up just a little bit since I bought it, so I probably already made just a little bit of money off of that $100. So that is very, very sweet. All right, dreamers, so there we go. I just bought $100 worth of Bitcoin. It's very simple. The link is down in the description. There are many, and I mean many other factors on why I believe Bitcoin is gonna go up to $300,000 in the very near future. I could talk about all of those reasons, but this video will be very, very long. I'm gonna eventually talk about all of those reasons. So if you want to see every single reason why Bitcoin is gonna eventually go up to $300,000, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on those videos, because one of the gurus out there, one of the best investors, Cathie Mother Woods, yeah, you gotta cuss when you say her name because she that cold. She runs ARK Investments, ARKKW, and she actually invests into cryptocurrency as well. She's one of the best. She runs one of the best active ETFs out there, and she knows what she talk about. And she also said Bitcoin is going to go up to $300,000. So if you don't believe me, believe her, because I believe her as well, and I believed it before I even seen her say that. And now that I'm thinking on the same page as her, I'm like, wow, man, I'm heading down the right path. So once again, if you guys want to get in on this cryptocurrency wave, the link is down in the description, and don't fall for any scams down in the comment section. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.